Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 86 Dodge D100 Custom 4-wheel drive short box. It's a truck that come out of in the middle central South Dakota. So pretty much original. There you can see the hood ornament's been ripped off of there. Did have some front end damage, and we had another pickup that was blue. That's why you can see a little bit of color difference here. Because this one's faded a little more. That was nice and rust free, so we switched out the fenders. So 4-wheel drive, short box, 318 automatic, definitely patina, original. Got a little rip in the seat. This is a non-air truck. Shows 86,736. I'm not going to tell you that's actual. I have no idea if it is. Windshield's broke. Definitely some 80s stuff. Got the sunroof and some speakers in the doors, so that's vintage 80 all the way. See the paint kind of coming off. This is the rust it has, is on both sides right here. Also a little bit on the driver's side floor, but otherwise not too bad. Obviously would be a pretty solid truck to start with, but just drive it the way it is. Nice and affordable, under $10,000 for a short box 4-wheel drive. So nice and affordable. And you know, probably could use some carpet. No, this doesn't want to latch very good. Clean it up a little bit. Shampoo the seat. My door bushings there. Like I said, the little bit, this door has a little bit of bubbling on it. The other door is good. So, but if you're looking for a cheap 4-wheel drive short box Dodge, not a lot of them around, so this is kind of unique. A lot more Chevys and Fords. So, but give me a call, 605-695-7391. Also take a look at the running and driving video.